What's the meaning of advocaat? Advocaat. 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 Advocaat is a Dutch alcoholic beverage made from eggs, sugar, and brandy. The mixture is thickened with heat and then consumed as a liqueur or used as an ingredient in cocktails or desserts. Its name is believed to have derived from the Dutch word for lawyer, advocaat, because it was a popular drink among lawyers in the 1800s. The beverage is typically served during winter holidays and special occasions and has a rich, creamy texture and a sweet, custard-like flavor. Advocaat is often compared to eggnog, a similar beverage popular in North America.